Hey car lovers and history buffs! Get ready for a blast from the past with a high-tech twist. The legendary Pontiac Firebird is soaring back onto the scene in 2025, and it's hotter than ever. This isn't just a retro revival, it's a modern muscle car with the soul of a champion. So, buckle up and let's take a closer look at what makes this Firebird sing. The first thing that will grab you is the undeniably Firebird silhouette. That long hood, flowing lines, and wide stance scream power and performance. But look closer, and you'll see a modern makeover. Imagine sleek LED headlights that look like they're ready to pounce, flanking a bold take on the iconic Pontiac grille. The doors will likely be sculpted to hug the wheels, hinting at the raw power lurking beneath. And rounding out the back, expect wide taillights with a distinctive LED design, reminiscent of the Firebird's heritage. Slide into the driver's seat and prepare to be surprised. The interior ditches the bare-bones look of classic muscle cars and embraces a driver-focused luxury. Think premium materials like leather and Alcantara that make you feel like you're in control of a beast. But fear not, traditionalists. A digital instrument cluster keeps all the vital information right in front of you, while a large touchscreen infotainment system in the center console provides entertainment and connectivity. The best part? Physical buttons and dials for essential controls are expected to remain, keeping that engaging, hands-on driving experience alive. The 2025 Firebird isn't just about good looks, it offers a choice for the kind of power you crave. Here's where things get exciting. For the pure muscle car purists, there's a monstrous 6.2L V8 engine. Imagine the exhilarating rush of acceleration as this beast propels you from 0 to 60 in a heart-stopping few seconds. But for those who want their muscle with a touch of eco-consciousness, a hybrid option is also rumored. This could combine a powerful V6 engine with electric motors, delivering impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing that thrilling Firebird experience. No matter which engine you choose, both are expected to be paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. Plus, whispers suggest an available all-wheel drive system, giving you maximum control in any weather condition. The 2025 Firebird promises a driving experience that will leave you breathless. A well-tuned suspension system is designed to hug corners and deliver sharp, responsive handling. Imagine carving through mountain roads with precision, feeling the car become an extension of yourself. Powerful brakes will ensure you can come to a stop with confidence, no matter how thrilling the ride gets. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The 2025 Firebird won't skimp on safety features. Expect a suite of modern driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features will give you peace of mind and keep you focused on the exhilarating drive ahead. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird is more than just a car, it's a legend reborn with a modern twist. It perfectly blends classic muscle car charm with cutting-edge performance, technology, and safety features. Whether you crave raw power or a more responsible thrill ride, the Firebird has an option for you. So, get ready to feel the rush of nostalgia and the excitement of innovation, because the Firebird is back, and it's ready to reclaim its place as a legend on the open road.